My name is Sunday Bamikole, the Operations Manager of John Vance Industries Limited, Akure. We are into cocoa processing, and we process cocoa into cocoa cake, cocoa butter, cocoa liquor, and cocoa powder. The cocoa processing operation starts from the sourcing. John Vance Industries Limited, we ensure responsible sourcing. When the cocoa gets to the factory, the first point of call is the weigh bridge. We weigh the cocoa and the truck in, we offload in a lot, and we carry out quality control analysis. Also, we check the moisture by probe method to know the moisture content of the beans. It is expected that the moisture content is below 8%. So after this quality control analysis has been carried out and the cocoa is found to be okay, conforming to our specifications, then we issue it for processing. The processing actually starts from tipping the beans. Conveyor and bucket elevator takes it to cleaning machine. But for processability, the moisture content is expected to be less than 4. So the cocoa goes to a dryer that dries the cocoa down to 4% moisture content. Then it goes to a winnower. The shell is separated from the cocoa cotyledon. Cocoa cotyledon will be broken down to smaller particles or pieces that we call nibs. It is these nibs that we take to a reactor where we carry out the bacterialization process. So the roaster is where the color, the cocoa chocolatey flavor, the chocolatey aroma, and the chocolatey taste is developed. So after the roasting stage, goes to milling. We have 3-stage grinding. We have the primary grinding, the intermediate grinding, and the fine grinding. So after the grinding, we have a vibrating sieve that sieve every other particles that are greater than 500 microns out, so that we have a fine liquor. So that liquor can be conditioned and sold as a product. From the liquor tanks, you go to the section that we call press. So the press exerts a pressure of around 500 bar to extract the butter from the liquor. The butter comes out as filtrate, while the cake is retained in the press as a residue. We can either bag the cake as a product or we send it to other plant for pulverizing. So this clean butter passes through the tempering process. At that point, we have butter that is solid at room temperature and is able to withstand the stress of shipment. Our mission is to become #1 cocoa processing facility in Nigeria, #1 in Africa, and one of the largest in the world.